So, yeah, you wanna go check out what the noise was? Sure. But we gotta hear where it's coming from. Hey. Sorry, guys. I used the wrong hand. Yeah? I'm gonna go check out the poop over there, see what was that. Okay. Hey, Mr. Poop. Yeah. Was that you making the growling sound? No. I don't even know what that was. Oh, well. Okay, then. Well, it wasn't Mr. Poop. Hey. Well, then we're gonna have to figure it out. So let's go to the car. Okay. Banana. What in the world is that? Freddy? I think we should run now. Yeah, I think so too. Come on, Freddy. We can fight this thing. I wouldn't call it a thing, Foxy. I think it's called a minion. Ow. Yeah, it's called a minion. But it's pretty easy to fight. Yeah, it does look pretty easy to fight. So, Foxy? What? What do you want? I give up. So we gonna fight that thing? Yeah, just get back in the car. Okay. Driver's going first. Oh, God. I'm so fat, I can't fit in. Okay. Let's do this. Take that. Okay, my turn. Ready, smash. Dang, I can walk on him. That's pretty cool. Wow. Freddy, you okay? Yeah. We need to call in the helicopter. Okay. Well, the helicopter's down. What should we do? We should use Sonic Scream. Let's go. Okay, guys, I'm gonna cut up the video right here. So, yeah, I'm gonna go get something that's very loud. Okay, guys, I found something that's really loud. It is a recorder. Oh, God, the minion just fell on me. Sorry about that. So, yeah, let's go. Oh, sorry guys, I forgot to cut out the video. That was an accident, just don't mind that. Hey Freddy, guess what?
What?
Chima gave us like a full piece and he just cut it in half since we're heroes.
Cool.
Oh, sorry, I tried to do a backflip. I know, right? So let's eat. Yummy. Really good, try it. Tastes like it's chocolate covered.
Oh, okay. It is chocolate covered.
Yeah, so now that we've defeated the boss, what do you want to do now?
I don't know. Let's just eat the pizza.
Yeah. I think we should fight more bosses and defeat all the enemies in the world. And have everything free.
Don't you think that's a little hard, Foxy?
A little.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
But I can do it. I know that you're 45, but I'm 25. And I'm young, and I'm powerful. That's why you just lay down and sleep all day.
What? No, I don't.
Okay, then how come I came out with my Corvette? You were asleep. Even the car didn't wake you up. I had to yell.
We'll talk about that later.
Okay, so what do you want to do now? Have a party?
Yeah.
Well, here's the Sonic Screamer. Here, let me blow it. Wow. It hurts my ears. I know, right? Let's have a pizza pin. Pizza pin.
Foxy, that isn't funny anymore.
Dang it. Well, then what do you want to do? Should we just go to our homes?
Yeah.
Okay, since we're neighbors, we can still talk, like, right?
Yeah, but let's go. Okay, I'm going to sleep.
Freddy! What? You wanna play a game?
Foxy, you're 25. You aren't 3 anymore. I'm not playing games. I'm 45.
But I'm still a baby.
No, you aren't.
I'm 25. I'm a baby.
I'm 45.
Whatever. You're only 20 years older than me? Yeah, that's right. You're only 20 years older than me.
Well, who cares? Maybe this will make you go to sleep.
Nope, that ain't making me go to sleep.
Foxy, if you don't go to sleep right now, I will shoot you with this Nerf gun. It goes 30 miles per hour and it will hurt your face.
Go ahead. It didn't hurt.
Well, I'm out of bullets, so I don't got anything else. All I got is BB gun. That would really hurt.
Well, at least this video is 10 minutes long. It's the longest video ever that I've made. So, yeah, what do you want to do?
I just want to sleep. I'm 45. I'm really tired.
I don't wanna sleep. I wanna read and play video games. I don't wanna sleep, 'cause I got the beatbox skills.
Foxy, go to sleep. I'm not your dad.
Fine.
Okay, I'm gonna go to sleep now.
Okay guys, that's gonna be part 3. I'm not sure if I can make a part 4, but this is my longest video yet. It's 11 minutes. So yeah, it may be 12 minutes because I'm doing this, but yes, say you subscribed in the comments, and I will know if you subscribed because I only have 1 subscriber. If somebody says that they subscribed, then I'll see 2 subscribers, and yeah, I really hope that I do, and I'll at least try to respond to 30 of you, if even 30 of people will subscribe. But I can't speak today. I'll try to respond as many as you that say that you subscribed, and I know that you subscribed. So yeah, this is pretty much the video. I had to use shoes for their beds because I'm like sort of on my bed, and that's my Minecraft video. I was playing Minecraft then, and those are the cookies from my stupid video. Not even a minute ago, a couple minutes ago. But yeah, tomorrow I have school, so I'm not gonna be able to film a lot. But yeah, but I will be talking to the Alpha Wolf. Well, he changed it to the Slayer something. So yeah, shout out to the Slayer something. So yeah, but you can still look up the Alpha Wolf 2007. It will still show up because I did it. But yeah, this is pretty much going to be the video, and I guess I'll see you guys later. Bye.